Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some chocolate chip cookies. These are so good and very easy to make. You can be done mixing and baking these in less than 30 minutes. If you love chocolate, this recipe is for you. For this recipe we will be using some baking soda, some salt, an egg and butter at room temperature, vanilla extract, chocolate chips of course, some brown sugar and granulated sugar, and some flour. So first thing to do is to mix up all the dry ingredients. Then I'll go ahead and cream my butter and sugar together. I'll be using a hand mixer for this purpose because it's the easiest way to get this done. The whisk is going to take so much time, and so it's either the hand mixer or a standard mixer. And I'm going to whisk this till it looks fluffy and a bit light. Once that's looking good, I'm going to go in with an egg and some vanilla extract. Then I'll go back in with my hand mixer because we need to get everything blended in well. Okay, so now always remember to scrape the sides of your bowl so that you have everything being mixed up well. You don't want to miss out on any portion of this. And then I'll go ahead and combine my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients, and this time I'm going to mix it by hand. We have to do it by hand because we don't want to over mix this or overdo it. You just want to mix it till the point that you can no longer see the flour, till the point that the flour is just mixed up with the wet ingredients. Now it's time to add the fun stuff to this recipe, and that's our chocolate chips. Then we'll lightly mix that just to blend the chocolate in with the cookie dough. And just like that, we are done. Like, it took less than 10 minutes to get all of this ready. So now we portion. And the best way to do this is to use an ice cream scoop because you'll be sure that you'll be getting similar sizes. That uniformity makes it even better. And I'll also be stuffing the top of these cookies with some more chocolate chips because yes, it's chocolate chip cookies. And we want to have enough of that chocolate in there. So these will be going into the oven for between 12 and 15 minutes or till the edges have browned up just a little bit. And these smell so good coming out of the oven. If you pair this with some cold milk, you are done for. Like, it is going to be so good. Okay guys, let's take a sneak peek and a taste test on this cookie. This looks so good, right? And it tastes even better. So I hope you all give this recipe a try. And I hope you like it as much as I did. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share this video. Take care everyone, and I'll see you soon.